Hi, today we can see how to create a Microsoft Azure Microsoft Azure web app service. So I can log in into the Microsoft Azure console. So what do you want to do? First you want to go to the services. So see, there is having a number of the services in your mic Azure services. So this service you want to configure the app service. Before going to the app service, first you want to create a resource group. So the resource group is the very important. So add the resource group. So go to add. So I'm having only free trial account. So in this free trial subscription, I can create a resource group. So what is a resource group? I can give server 1 2 3 4. Okay, then I can give the region. So what is having a default region? The default region I can give in here. Okay, give create. So it will show the what is the inside in your resource group. So give create. So once you can create a resource group, so see we can get this resource group here. Then what you want to go to here, then go to the uh, app service. So app service, go to the app service, then you want to add the app service. See, we are not having any app service. Go to add the app service, and the same task you want to do here. So go to the subscription, that is having a free trial subscription. So go to create a resource group. So every resources in your Azure, all the ones is depends on your resource group only. So for example, if you are creating the virtual machine, that virtual machine also depends on the resource group. Same in your creating the web app also, it is depends on your resource group. Okay, so there is having a number of the resource group. I can create here. I can give the server 1 2 3 4. So the unique name I want to give here. So my web app 1 2 3. Okay, so I can give the default name. So it will not taking. Okay, so give web app name ROM. Okay, so my web app RAM. So the publishing, there is having a two option. One is a code, another one is a Docker container. So the Docker container means if the container, it based on the container your application will run. Okay, either Linux operating system or Windows operating system. So in this scenario we are not using any containerization, so we are using the code here. So code, this is basically it will run under the platform only. Okay, so in this platform means you want to mention the platform. That platform means, for example, if you go to come inside, so there is having a platform. So what is a platform? Like to say, for example, .NET platform, or a Java platform, or else if you go to Node.js platform, or else if you go to the PHP, Python, okay, Ruby, all the things are available. For example, if I give Java platform, you are getting the operating system environmental, both environmental, like to say Windows as well as the Linux. So if I choose the any other platform, like to say the Ruby, so go to the Ruby. So the Ruby, it's not having a Windows platform, it's only available for the Linux operating system platform. Okay, so go to the options like .NET. Okay, so I can choose the Windows server. Okay, so the come down, so it is automatically, it is platform Windows plan central is, this is your number. Okay, so I give the create. Once we are created means, first it will show all the details of your app service. So what is the app actually? So what is the subscription, the resource group, what is the name, what is the code, what is the code means which place you are deploying here, all the things are available. Okay, so then you can give the create. Your application is creating now. So once you can created means you can getting notification from the notification board. Okay, your deployment is processing now. Okay, it will take time. Okay, not an issue. Once your deployment is over, okay, see, so the deployment is properly executing here. Okay, deploying in the process. This is the processing. Okay, so now get the message from the Azure. So deployment is succeeded. Okay, so what do you want to do? Go to the resource. So resource it will get your web app. Okay, so see this console. So we can getting the resource group. Okay, so we can get the status and the location and the subscription ID. Okay, URL. Okay, all the things are available here. Okay, this is your other services. So activity of the log, you can able to see the activity log of the your app service, because now it's not having any activities. Okay, access control also, who they want to access this particular application, means your my web app ram application, who want to access, you can able to give the access control also. Okay, so there is having n number of the services. So in this case I want to see my configuration is properly working or not. So how can able to check your application, means your web app application is properly working or not? You can choose the URL here. So see, I getting the URL from the Azure. So you can select the URL and go to the tab and paste it your URL here. Then give enter. See, I getting my URL from the my console page. So this is my the application, sample application. Okay, you also try this method in the same thing. Okay, thank you.